Why is it so hard to get retired from the federal government or the post office? It really shouldn't be this difficult, right? I mean, I loved my job. What a career I had. But when it came time to do the paperwork, it was just, oh my goodness, it was so stressful. It really, really is stressful. I've been doing this second career for a long time, and it's the #1 theme I hear all across the country. Why is this so hard? So one of my favorite things to do is to make it not so hard for you. And one of the ways we've done that is we've created this federal survival kit for retirement. It's just an easy step-by-step process, what you need to do for federal retirement. We want you to put together a good plan, and a plan that makes you feel good about retirement, not stress out about retirement. I mean, there's lots and lots of documents you have to have ready, and there's all kinds of questions you have to answer, and we want to make it as easy for you as possible. So if you just contact the link below, you can get a free survival kit from us. It's that simple. We want to make it all that simple for you. Talking about simple, what if we just start off with a quick start guide? Quick start guide that #1 says, complete your beneficiary forms. And oh, by the way, do you know beneficiary forms in retirement are not the same beneficiary forms that you need in employment? Now, they're the same forms, but they're not the same number of forms. We will help you clarify that for you. But step 1, make sure you've got those beneficiary forms done. Step #2, you need an analysis report. I mean, all kinds of reports. What about FEGLI reports? What about making all the decisions on your life insurance? There are literally dozens and dozens of options for you. It is the most complicated form in your packet to fill out when it comes to filling out forms for retirement. And then your Social Security strategy report. It's one of my favorite reports we offer free of charge when we do your retirement counseling with you. And then free resources. Do you know where you get all your free resources? We'll hook you up. Quick and simple. Quick start guide. And then, oh yeah, here's the report that I was talking about, that Social Security strategy report. What if this has all of your information in it? And what if it helps explain things not just at retirement, but what if well into retirement? What if we start talking about all of those what if questions? What happens if this happens in my family? What if this happens in my family? That's why you want a strategy report on Social Security, which, by the way, we can't hardly talk about Social Security and not talk about Medicare, right? And now that postal reform has passed, definitely for the postal employees, they are right now today put into a position that they must be educated on Medicare. And you federal employees should be right behind them, getting yourself educated on the 4 elements of Medicare, because everything in that arena is changing for us federal and postal employees. That's for sure. And then did I mention beneficiary forms? We want to make sure you've got beneficiary forms on file. And then you sure want to know about the webinars that we do. What about the 5 surprises of federal retirement? Or how about a 17-point federal retirement assessment? Don't you think having a 17-point assessment of your federal retirement might come in handy? Do you know what's in your OPF? Do you know what's on your Form 50? Do you know what taxes may affect, how taxes may affect you in retirement? All part of the 17-point assessment on federal retirement. So just click the link below. That's what this is all about. It's a free $350 value right now for the special that we're running. You don't want to miss out on that.